Hey everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to go grocery shopping, and I'm going to go to one of my favorite stores. I'm going to WinCo. Let's go. So I haven't been to WinCo in a while. I love the store. It's really affordable, and if you don't have one near you, you probably have your favorite supermarket that's close by. So this is one of mine. They have lots of produce there. So I want to make sure I get all of that stuff for the boys' lunches. Plus, I'm running low on a couple of things for lunches. And I've given myself a budget. I'm going to see how much food I can buy for $100 at WinCo today. Let's see if I can do it. Here we go. We're about to go in. And remember, I only have $100. So let's see how I can do. Maybe I'll use a calculator. Maybe I won't. But let's just see what I get. Fortunately, I don't need too much of like meats and stuff because I still have that from Costco. So let's see what I can get. Look at this wonderful long aisle of food. Watermelons are still a very good deal here. Gonna have to get one. They have quite the assortment of cookies and crackers. And I like to just go for the store brands because what a deal. So there's been a couple of these ones, and I'll show you later which ones we get, that are just great tasting and great priced. I haven't made Tex-Mex egg rolls in a while, so I'm gonna try that. Seems like a good back to school dinner. I certainly picked a good time to come shopping. There's like hardly anybody here. Loving it. Okay, every time I come here I have to get these. And Tina, it's the orangey brown containers of orange chicken that's super yummy. So I gotta get a couple of those. Okay, I got everything in the car. Everything's behind me back here because it's still like over 100 degrees today. So I need to hurry up and get things in the freezer. But I spent $112. So I didn't have a calculator. Used my head, but that wasn't too bad, right? It's just a few bucks over. By few, I mean 12. But that's okay, right? Because I have lots of kids to feed. So I'll show you what I got when we get home. So look at all these bags. I mean, I feel like I got a lot for $112. If I went to a specialty store like Vons or Albertsons, I probably would be only able to bring home like maybe 3/4 of this. So let me show you what I got, and I'm just gonna take them right out of the bag. So let's do this. Before I begin, I want to let you know that I'm going to attempt to do a live this Saturday. So if you're around and you want to see what we do on Saturday afternoons, I'm thinking like between 3 and 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to show you a really easy treat that my boys help me do, and we'll sit and chat too. So come with some questions, come get to know us. And I'll be starting sometime between 3 and 5. So yay, my first live. I can't wait. First things first, because it has to go into the freezer, is I got 2 of these, and they are about $5 or so. So this was like a $10 meal. And we do love their orange chicken. So if you usually get it from Trader Joe's, that's a close second. And we get the barbecue chicken. I got 2 of those, and this was $11. So this will be, I'll make this with rice and sauteed vegetables. In fact, I got these, the broccoli and a zucchini and these carrots just for the meals. So these were 99 cents each, and I got 2. And this was 50 cents. And this was $1.38 for 2 crowns. So I could have got bigger ones. I didn't get as big because I knew it would probably go for just 1 big meal or two smaller ones. So great prices, right? Next up, I have milk. And I had a couple people ask me how much milk was in my neck of the woods. So this was $1.84 at WinCo. I also got the Caesar salad, which we'll have with the pasta this week. So that was $2.50. I got some yogurt for Paul's breakfasts, so I'll put the trail mix, the granola that I make on top of the mason jars. Remember how I showed you guys how I did that? And that was about $2. And then these, I was so excited to go and get these. So we make breakfast biscuits in the morning, although I'm not sure if I'll use these ones for the breakfast biscuits because we like to use honey butter. But look at this flavor. It's sweet Hawaiian bread. So I got 2 of them. So we'll be making these probably maybe with the breakfast biscuits, but they were $1.50 each, and I know they just have them at WinCo right now. So if you follow WinCo on Instagram, they do make announcements of new products. This is what they announced. I was so excited. So next up, I kind of wanted to do something easy, quick, go-to. Could be for lunch, could be for dinner. We do have some chili in the pantry that I didn't use. So I got some Nathan's hot dogs. These are our favorite, and we like bun length because that way it's not so thick when you're taking a bite. So this was $2.98. And ballpark, just the hot dog buns that were nearby, $1.78. Now I could have gotten store brand, but WinCo store brand hot dog buns tend to be a little drier. So if I were at Walmart, I probably would have gotten the Walmart brand because I know that those ones are softer. But the last couple times I've gotten the WinCo brand buns, they were a little dry. So that is going to be for one meal. And notice I didn't get like 2 pouches of it because really we would probably need 2 pouches. So really it's just going to be 1 hot dog each type thing. And then I'll make sure I make some fried potatoes. I decided to try these this time. Usually I buy a tube of sausage so we can put it in the breakfast biscuits, but these ones I thought I would just cook ahead, let the kids have them in the fridge, and then they can have them with breakfast. Those were $3 for both. And then so one of the things I love about WinCo is they have a wonderful meat selection, and I don't know if you can see, but this one is seasoned like a carne asada, so it's a thin skirt steak. And it's seasoned, ready to put on the grill. I'll probably have Paul grill those with some chicken. And so we'll have that last for more than one day, maybe like over a couple of days or so, maybe some lunches. And we'll have it like a Mexican night. So with that, this was $10, under $10, $9. It's covering the price. It's under $10. With that, I have some corn tortillas. Those were $1. And with those corn tortillas, I love putting this cheese, this queso fresco from Ranchero. And this was $2.50. This tends to be even like $4. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of in a liquid. So I just cut it open, kind of pat it dry with a paper towel, and then slice it into wedges, put them in a baggie, and then I use a wedge and break it up over the corn tortillas. The best snack ever in my opinion. Okay, so I'm gonna have that with I'm also gonna make these bell peppers. I saute them with with some onion. All of this was like $1. Great, right? Great price. And I just thought I'd get some pinto beans from Refried Beans because both my oldest son and I, we do like the beans. So we will have that also with our meal. Can you see? That was like the perfect meal to just throw together really quickly with Paul's help, of course. So another thing that I'm going to be doing is making little snack baggies with some fruits or vegetables that the kids can throw into their lunchbox or just have them with as a snack when they get home from school. So I did get some celery sticks. They sell a much bigger bag at Costco. So this one, I've had these before, but this was $1.78, I believe. And then I got some cucumbers and then some of the carrots. So I'll make them into little snack baggies, have kind of like a medley of sorts. And so that'll be super good. I asked the boys what kind of apples I should get. So I got some Granny Smiths. Those are super good with some trail mix on peanut butter. It's a good snack. I got 18 eggs because I do hard boil some of them as a snack or a part of a lunch for me or breakfast, whichever. And this was $2.61. And the wrappers, we're gonna be making Tex-Mex egg rolls. So this will be super yummy. These are under $2, $1.98. And they are in the produce section. So if you're ever looking in your store, check the produce section, because that's kind of where I find my egg roll wonton wrappers. So kind of a funny place for them, right? But that's where they are. So now I just have some more stock up items. I might come across something that needs refrigeration, but I got some sandwich baggies and some snack baggies. So if I'm not using glass bowls or something like this, then I will just throw some of these things in. So like the veggies, they'll probably go in here. Those were about $1.50 each. We got some instant oatmeal with strawberries. Like I get these for the younger kids because I just kind of want them to get going eating oatmeal. I like to make oatmeal for the family all together. This is just a quick instant for the week. Okay, so I was thinking lunches, of course, and I was thinking, what can I do that would be special? So I got some pudding. I got banana cream and chocolate. So I thought I would make it ahead of time, put it in some of those glass jars, and then hopefully they'll come home. Okay, so also remember I showed you I got, these are the lemon ones that are just delicious. And then the fudge graham crackers, both are $1.48. And they're so good. I thought I would just show it to you on the counter, the last part. So this is their store brand wheat thins, which is $1.50 or so. I love tuna, but I also love it like special gourmet. Ooh, fancy gourmet. It was $2 for this can. Now that's just gonna be for me because nobody else will eat it. So that'll last me at least 3 sandwiches. This bag, so their potatoes are like the cheapest ever. They're $1.28. I can't buy potatoes anywhere cheaper than that. This is our favorite detergent. This was $6.50, so that was even cheaper than it normally is, like even at Walmart. So that wasn't even on sale. The steak sauce, that's the A1. That was $2.18. I needed some vegetable oil. That was a little over $2. And then we do like the buffalo sauce. I believe that was under $3. That was a specialty. Grandma's sycamore. We have a couple in the freezer, but I thought I would just get another one for the week or maybe next week. That was $2.78. So that's a pretty good price for not being from Costco. Their pretzels are under $2. My kids really just like to eat those with their lunches, but in case they don't, these ones are pretty dang good. So those are like comparable to the Doritos flavor, the spicy nacho. And whenever I eat those, I think they're pretty close. So pretty good. This, I got some plastic wrap. It was $2. And the bananas were also about a couple dollars. The thing that I did not account for correctly was the watermelon. It's pretty heavy and it was closer to $6. So I was like, oh, it's probably 10 pounds, like $3. It was probably like 20 apparently. So that is what I did. So all of this was $112. Oh, done. Okay, so we have some meals for the week. We have stuff for breakfasts. We have things for lunches. Remember, I had my Costco haul. I'll make sure to link that somewhere over here. And you can see how much I spent. That was a big haul, by the way, the one. But this one was just a little one. So this will get us through the week, maybe even a little bit into next week. So fingers crossed, right? Now, we're going to be doing some super fun things. I'm going to be getting my kids involved and my husband. And I think one of the next videos we'll be doing is a taste test of different hamburgers. So it might be considered a challenge, but what we're doing is grading. So we're gonna be doing some really fun things and then plus having Paul make homemade. And so we'll do some comparisons. Doesn't that sound fun? And so we're gonna do that. Plus, remember, I'm gonna be doing some live streaming. So that'll be this Saturday, somewhere between 3 and 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I'm just so grateful to all of you who are leaving wonderful messages, liking my videos, and coming back for more, because you just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Have a great day.